That hat does not fit his head.
Oh, hell wrong.
Yeah.
Hey, Moses.
Oh, you fat fuck.
You were so fat you couldn't get anything anyways. Why you fucking fingering me? What the fuck?
Go do push-ups.
No. I feel like girls get girls all a lot more than guys do.
And they stay on each other, I think, a lot.
They're probably like, oh my god, can you believe the guys on here? Their dicks are so huge. Yeah.
Look at your fat friend over there.
Are you pissed?
Is that black guy in a black room?
It's a white guy in a dark room.
Put a shirt on, you skinny bitch. Dark room.
You're gay. Smeagol, why does he cry Smeagol? Stupid fat hobbits. We killed him. Go get him. Get him. Big and cool is nice and cool, so juicy sweet. I only wish to catch a fish so juicy sweet. What do you want, stupid hobbits? What do you want? You want photo? Stupid Bagginses. Anna means family. Family means friends. Friends means no one gets left behind or forgotten. Yeah, do you want me to suck your dick? Hey, do you want me to suck your dick? Zill. You look like an Asian version of somebody who's fat. Oh, wait, never mind, you're just fat.
I'm gonna pay $200 if you kiss that black guy behind you. Hey, loser, are you gay?
Yeah, you paid me $25 to be gay.
Dance. Like what kind of dance? Like booty shaking or what? Booty shake for us. Big booty bitches. I got big. Oh shit. I swear, every Chinese person has a bunk bed. There's too many of them.
Oh my god. Oh, I swear.
Why y'all looking at his dick for, homo? Have fun folding clothes.
Pretty sure it's like kids' clothes. Or he's like got a ton of like kids that he's like a pedophile for. I just haven't. United Kingdom. Oh, you should have seen that guy.
What the fuck? Albania. Those are the people that kidnapped Liam Neeson's daughter and taken.
Hello,
Brazil. Hello. Fuck you.
You looked hideous and you skipped us. What the fuck
You look hideous. He's not gonna.
Okay.
That guy like turned around and like skipped his way.
It's a guy.
Oh damn! Look at this one. The Jabba the Hutt of Brazil. Oh shit!
Yeah.
What's up, Bosnia?
Yeah, I said nobody gives a fuck because it's not cold in Canada. You
Get
stupid
out of here,
fuck.
you Michael Phelps looking bitch.
Look at your voice.
Oh, that's a good one. But
Oh look at your voice.
Yeah, look at your
Look
voice.
at your voice. That makes sense.
Stupid.
Oh, this guy's fucking stupid.
He's stupid. He's fucking stupid. That's you.
You're not a dumb fuck, though. You look like a dumb fuck.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we're the dumb fuck. You're the one that said look at your voice. That girl's pregnant or something.
That's an ass.
No, that.
Yeah, that is an ass.
That's an ass?
That's the hip.
Oh,
That's
shit.
the shoulder. That's
Work
the
it.
ass.
Work it.
Work it. Work it.
Work it. Holy
Slumber
shit.
party in Italy?
Bitch.
You're still a bitch.
Yeah, you're a bitch too.
What's up, everybody? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos on the channel. We have challenges, pranks, and music videos. Laters on the Menjay.